Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 16 step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. The Apple Intelligence only works on the iPhone 18.1 or later and compatible devices. Next, go to the settings on your iPhone and scroll and tap the Apple Intelligence and Siri. Inside that menu, you'll see the options to turn on Apple Intelligence and tap on it. And after that, your iPhone may start downloading AI models with background. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi and have enough storage. And once it finishes, the Apple Intelligence features like writing tools, Siri upgrades, image generation, and smart suggestions. You will be now active on your iPhone. If you don't see the option, it means that your device is either not updated or not fully supported. So double check your iOS version. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.